You know that's right.
What's up, what's up, what's up, YouTube land and fellow entrepreneurs all across the board? It's your girl, China E, back to you once again with yet another one. Okay, so in this video, I am going to talk about RankPay.com. That is RankPay.com. Basically, SEO services made simple, where if you don't rank, you don't pay. Once again, SEO services made simple to where if you do not rank, you do not pay. Hey, okay? So basically, RankPay is one of the top SEO sites to rank you very high on Google. Okay, so those of you that's looking to be ranked on Google, right there, those of you that's looking to get ranked on Google, basically, this is one of the top sites to get you there. Okay, so, and if you don't rank, you don't pay for real. They hold true to their word on this. Is real. So they also have a free to join program to where you don't have to pay them anything. So they make it free around the board. You don't have to pay for the services you're getting, and you don't have to pay to become a member. That's very awesome. So basically, they have a healthy paid affiliate program, which is free to join and has a very high earning potential for you guys, okay? So buyers here see a very high return on investment. RankPay is jam-packed with growing earning potentials for your website, blog, and all that stuff. So I know because I've done this. I have ranked myself on RankPay. They are very good, and they have a very good affiliate marketing program that has residual income in it as well. Somehow they get paid through AdSense as well, and whatever they do as far as giving people the money for affiliates, it's coming out of that. So definitely you can earn real good money here. I still earn money with their affiliate program, and still you can search me getting ranked in Google. Okay.
You know that's right.
Okay. Okay, so check them out. It's RankPay.com. That's RankPay.com. Alright, so remember, you haven't heard it till you heard it from me. It's your girl China E all across these YouTube and internet streets, as you can see. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. Stay tuned, because there's always more in store for you guys. Check me out in the next vid.